Hi all. See this is a problem of simple differential equation. Okay, there are no such difficulties here. So our aim is to first solve the differential equation. So how we'll solve? That only depends, right? So first we write the differential equation, which is a very big form, right? So let's go ahead and write it in a proper way. So here we get that differential equation as 8 root x multiplied by 9 plus root x and square root here, that's actually dy. That's obviously equal to square root of 4 plus square root of 9 plus root x. Everything as its inverse dx. Okay, so that's it. So let's write down calculate that dy dx first. So what is dy dx? Dy dx means that it will be 1 by 8 root x multiplied by square root of 9 plus root x multiplied by whatever there here. So just copy paste it. So 4 plus 9 plus root x, and that's it. So that's the original differential equation we have. Now see that this is not in linear, not in homogeneous, nothing, right? We don't know how to go ahead. So here we need to apply some substitution, okay? Now see that again and again we are seeing this 9 plus root x, right? That square root. So that may be omitted by some substitution. So let's go ahead and take that substitution. So let 9 plus root x square root, it gives me t, okay? That's imply that t square is equal to 9 plus root x. That's it. Now that's imply that 2t dt is equal to 1 by 2 root x dx. So what we get it? We get it as wherever we get 2x dx, we'll replace it by 4t root x into dt. Okay, though directly this we can't substitute because see that here we'll get x term, so here t need to be omitted, right? But generally that takes some time and we need to some effort, right? So just use this relation, and whenever we convert that equation to dy by dt, because we are changing that dx by this, so we'll see that at the end, right? So that is allowed in maths. So let's go ahead. So therefore the equation reduces to dy divided by 4t root x dt is equal to 1 by 8 root x. Then we have t obviously, because 9 plus root x will gives us t. Then we have again square root of 4 plus t. So see that the complicated equation now can be easily simplified because 4 and 8 get cancelled. So let's cancel that. So t and t get cancelled, root x and root x get cancelled. So therefore it gives you that dy by dt is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by square root of 4 plus t. Now see that whatever the complicated differential equation we have, using this simple substitution, we get a very proper form. So now write down and integrate it, okay? So therefore, we can easily say that in this case, dy is equal to 1 by 2 4 plus t whole to the power minus half into dt. Now if I integrate, sorry, I just need to put that integration sign here. So yes, if I put the integration sign, you see that it gives you y is equal to 1 by 2 4 plus t whole to the power minus half plus 1 and divided by minus half plus 1 plus c. That gives you actually, this is half get cancelled. So we'll get it as y is equal to square root of 4 plus t plus c. That's it. So that's the solution curve of this equation. Now see that whatever we have that my t is actually equal to, we consider it as in this form. So let's substitute that in here. So therefore the solution curve will become as y is equal to square root of 4 plus square root of 9 plus square root of x plus c. That's it. So that's the solution curve for me. Now we need to find out the value of c. How we'll get the value of c? Using the relation y0 equal to root 7. So substitute x equal to 0. Okay. So now put x is equal to 0, imply that y is equal to root 7. So that's imply root 7 is equal to square root of 4 plus square root of 9 plus c. Obviously, you can see that this is 3 plus 7. So that's imply that c is equal to 0. So therefore, our solution curve for this difficult differential equation now becomes 4 plus square root of 9 plus square root of x. So that's the solution curve. Now what we are looking for? Y 256. So let's substitute 256 here. So x equal to 256. So substitute x is equal to 2, 5 and 6. So therefore we'll apply that y 256 is equal to square root of 4 plus square root of 9 plus square root of 256. Now square root of 256 give me 16. So therefore we'll give it as 4 plus square root of 9 plus 16. 16 plus 5, 9 is 25. So 4 plus square root of 25, that gives you actually square root of 4 plus 5, that gives you square root of 9, that gives me 3. So that's why for this particular problem, option B is the correct answer. And that's it. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.